In this tutorial I will show you how you can make 2x clicks and 2x cash game passes. And we will also be making a upgrade shop, so you can upgrade how many clicks you get. And before we start, some of you messaged me that some stuff from the tutorial doesn't work, and it does work. I asked some of you to send me what's the problem, and the problem was that you messed something up. If you don't know what you are doing, just copy the code exactly how you see it on the screen. You can't change anything. Like the code can break if you typed lowercase, but I typed uppercase. So it has to be exactly the same thing. And now we can start. So go to your dashboard of your game and click on this. And then we can go to monetization and passes. Now we can create a pass and give it a name, so 2x clicks. And you can also give it a description. I won't do that now. And create pass. Now go to the pass, go there and go to sales. Turn this on and change the price. So you can set the price to whatever you want. And here you can see how much Robux you will get when someone buys it. So you click on save changes and you have the game pass done. Now do the same thing for 2x cash. And now that we have our game passes done, we can go to studio. And the first thing that we will do in Roblox Studio is duplicate this, because we want to make a shop where you will be able to upgrade how many clicks you will get. So duplicate this, copy it and rename it to shop place. You can change the colors, so I will do that real quick. And we will also change the text. And now we will create the UI, so we will duplicate this, remove everything what's inside there. Rename it to upgrade UI. And we will insert a frame. Let's set the size to 0.5 and go to test and device, so we can see how it will actually look for our players. Now we can resize it. I won't do anything like good looking. So I have made this. You have just a basic frame and then insert a text button. We will recolor the frame, then go to the text button and go to text and remove it. We will add a UI corner. If you don't want it there, just don't add it. This is just for a design. Then insert a text label into the close button and rename the text button to close button. Change the text size to 0.9 and change the anchor point to 0.5 and then the position to 0.5. So it's in the middle. Scroll down, check text scaled, and change the text to X or close. Set the background transparency to 1. You can also change the font if you want, and you can also add UI stroke. We can resize the button now, and we can copy the button and rename it to upgrade button. And we can change the text to upgrade, and then we can of course scale the button. We can add some other stuff like text label, scale it to 1, set the background transparency to 1, check the text scaled and write upgrade shop, and you can also add the UI stroke to the text label. Rename the text label. I will rename it to shop text and then I will scale it and put it there. Then we can duplicate it and change the name again. This will be called the upgrade info, and this will tell you what the upgrade does. We can scale it, put it there, we can duplicate it and rename it to price info and change the text to price. Now we can go back to our leader stats script and we can copy this, paste it there. Instead of cash we will do level and change all of this. And I don't want this to be in leader stats. If you want it to be in leader stats, you can put it there, but I will just put it inside the player. And then there we will do level.value equals to data.level. And then down there we will do level equals to plr.level.value. So now we have the level. And don't forget to change the level value to 1. So every new player will start with level 1. Now go to server script service and go to give clicks. And we will do local ID and then paste the ID of the game pass. So this is my ID. You will have to put your own ID there. You can just open your game pass and copy the ID from the link. And then go to the top and do local ms equals to game get service marketplace service, and then we will do if ms user owns game pass async player dot user id comma id, and then we will do player dot leader stats dot clicks dot value plus equals to, and then we will, now we have the level. Previously we just added one, but now we will do player dot leader stats dot level dot value, and then times 2, because this means the player does own the double clicks game pass. And then we will do else, we will copy this and remove the times 2, and then we can remove this. Now we can disable the upgrade UI, and we will go there, go to subplace, touch part and cell script, and we will do the same thing. So we will copy this, paste it there, and then we will do if marketplace service user owns game pass async player dot user id comma, then you will have to paste the game pass id again, and then we will copy this, Ctrl C, delete, we will paste this and multiply it by 2, else paste it again, and now our game passes work. Now we just need a way how to upgrade. So we can enable the upgrade shop again, go to replicated storage, duplicate the remote event and rename it to upgrade clicks, and then we can go to the upgrade button, insert a local script and call it upgrade. We will do local plr equals to game get service players dot local player, local button equals to script dot parent button dot mouse button one click connect function, and then we will do a variable for our price. So local price equals to player dot leader stats dot level dot value, and this will give us the level of the player. And now how we can change the price? Well, we can maybe add 1, we can put this in there, so if the player's level is 1, now we will have 2 and times 10. So if you have level 1, your price for next level will be 20. So you can play around with this, change the price to whatever you want depending on the player's level. If player dot leader stats dot cash dot value higher or equals to price, then we will do else button dot text label dot text equals to not enough cash button dot text label dot text color free equals to color free dot new, and we will give it a red color. Then we will wait 2 seconds, duplicate this, change it back to upgrade, and let's check what color do we have there. It's black, so we can change it to black. We can also add a debounce, so local debounce equals to false. If debounce equals to false, then copy this, remove it and paste it there, and we will do debounce equals to true, and we will wait 0.2 or 0.5 seconds and set the debounce to false. so players can't just spam click the upgrade button. And if the player has enough cash, then we will do game.replicated storage dot upgrade clicks fire server, and then we will paste the price there. Now we can go to server script service. In give clicks we can go there and do game.replicated storage dot upgrade clicks dot on server event connect function plr and price, and we will do player.leaderstats.cash minus equals to price player.level.value plus equals to 1. Now we just need to show this UI and get rid of it, so we will go to the close button, insert a local script, rename it to close, local plr equals to game, get service, players, dot local player, script.parent.mouse button 1 clicked, connect function. Then we will do a variable for the player UI, so local player UI equals to player.player GUI, player UI dot upgrade UI dot enabled equals to false. And we haven't made the price info text, so this video is already pretty long and I won't be doing that in this video. And if you want another part of this how to make clicker simulator series, give this video 10 likes, and if this video will get 10 likes I will make another part. So now we can disable this and we can go to the shop. We can go to the touch part and rename the script to OpenUI, and now we have the player, so we will do local player UI equals to player.player GUI player UI dot upgrade UI dot enabled equals to true, and everything should work now. Let's test it. And we have an error, but we can fix that very easily. Just go to the upgrade script and remove the leader stats there, and looks like we have another error. And we can fix this very easily too. So go to give clicks server script and type dot value after the cache, and now it should be all good. So go to the upgrade shop and press the upgrade button. Now we have level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we can continue until we don't have enough cash and we can no longer upgrade. And looks like we also have this, yeah. So stop the game again, go to give clicks again and remove the leader stats in there. But now it should work, and if we click we get 30 cash, we get 30 clicks. Why 30? Because we have 15 level, but we also have the game pass, so it's 30. And if I quickly set the cash amount to 0 and we will sell it, we should get 60. Yes, we have 60 because we had 30 clicks and we had the double cash. The double cash doesn't work for these coins, and there is currently no way of seeing the next upgrade price. But I won't be doing that in this video. Why? Because it's already taking too long and I want to know if you are actually watching this to the end and if you care about this. So if this video will get 10 likes, in the next video we will do all of that. And we will do a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, like, comment, share and subscribe. tell me what you would want me to add for this series, if this series will continue, and I'll see you in the next one.